Ipirio itinlo ka scientists aneotomano Uganda morekikina kidengunu ko France kesda pacho sabita la tubor ajasa imo akojo nuda itiangalu kolom otomano temu iriri o district alona park.
That's from the volcanic deposit.
Akojo nude gita nyezda pone domun osiepuna ade morungon lokona pakam idora ilu itiangya lude pote twakata ikari milioni na kaisare ikau.
So you can see it's a big animal, and most of the bone is broken, just the what we call the distal end, the lower end. And in science it's called calicocerium. Calico meaning stone and cerium meaning beast, calicocerium. In Kenya, the Nandi tribe, they have an animal called chemosit, which is, they call it the Nandi bear in English. But no one has ever seen it. And they say it has long arms, maybe 2 meters long. And then the animal is a bit short. And it sits by the path in the forest. And when some animal walks past, grabs it and eats the brain only, and then throws the rest. And if people walk, it does the same thing. If 5 people are walking, it won't take the first, second, third, and fourth. It takes the last one. Eats the brain and puts it aside.
The appetite for this animal, and mainly they want to stay where there is water in the recent environment. So we still hope that probably there was a lot of aquatic life in this area of Napak. So we can also, but in the lab we use isotopes to know the environment of the area, and this is still ongoing. So far we have seen that it's probably, I'm working on troglodytes, and so far we see that probably there was woodland here, big wood, and also we have seen the plants in this area, which we are not finding now. As you see, we are all around grass. The trees are not really that much.
Ido anangun eriengetelo oda inglato kanot mano Uganda nyezde loskinta pukore mijam neda irerere iboro lukolom ka Aisupun Elatok eponio da supokine mijam lo lajet manamoru alekilek oraide itemu iri.
Now we are going to do a bigger one that will include the ethnography and archaeology and specifically paleontology. And apart from that, this Napak being recognized as an international site, it was still their support. We worked together and we had it submitted and accepted last year. So it was recognized as one of the 100 geosites, I would say. And we are still working together to see that we make it a more of a UNESCO geological site. In Napak, we are doing an open air museum. For example, why do we say it's open air? We want people to come here, okay? Move around this bush, and they see that there is something here. There is a fossil here, you see, you interact with them. And of course, with tourism, we are looking at longer stays. How do you make a tourist stay longer in the place?
As a district, the district is committed to giving land to the Ministry of Tourism to be able to set up an area where this tourism site is going to be. We believe that the district is going to be able to benefit even more, because with all these fossil sites looked at in the different parts of the mountains here in Napak, there is no economic value coming to the district. But when we have something streamlined, when we have a museum set up here, then the district is going to be able to benefit economically.
Besides that, this is not the only benefits that come alongside. I know when this open air museum being completed, there will be job creation for the locals.
Godfred Eyoko, TV East, Napak.